Hello and welcome to my YouTube channel. My name is Alecia and I am so happy that you are here with me today. Today's class, we are going to be incorporating a chair. I know for many people it's sometimes hard to get down on the mat, but that doesn't mean that yoga isn't accessible for you. So today's class is going to be done on a chair. All right, we're going to begin by coming onto our chair. Don't sit all the way to the back. Keep yourself a little forward so that you can really lengthen up from the sits bones all the way to the crown of the head. You're going to take your hands and you're going to place them gently on your lap or on your knees. And we're going to start by tucking chin to chest, lowering your gaze or closing down your eyes. And we're going to come to a few deep breaths here. Following the inhale up, through the nostrils, down into the belly. On your next inhale, I invite you to take the deepest inhale you've taken all day and sigh it out through the mouth. Taking your awareness up to the crown of your head. Imagine that there's warm honey melting down your body, relaxing all the muscles in your face and jaw, relaxing your shoulders, relaxing down through your arms, through your chest and back body, relaxing down through your solar plexus and your tummy, allowing your thighs to grow heavy as they connect with the chair beneath you. Knees relax, shins relax, ankles, all the way down to the soles of your feet, feeling the connection of the soles of your feet on the ground. And then I invite you to blink open your eyes, and we'll begin our practice with some gentle neck circles. Inhale as you drop your head back and around. Exhale, chin to chest. Switching directions. And come through center. Clasp your hands together, push your hands out. On an inhale, we're gonna lift. Exhale, drop down. Going however far feels good for you. Next time you're up at the top, flip your palms, clasp your hands together, stretch, reach. And then we'll take it for a side bend over to the right. Take a nice deep breath in. Exhale to come up through center over to the left. Nice deep breath in. And back through center, palms together, drop them down. Anjali Mudra at the heart, tuck chin to chest. Allow your shoulders to relax back and down. We're going to take our hands onto our knees and we're going to begin some spinal flexions. Inhale to open through the chest, roll your shoulders back. Exhale, tuck chin to chest, round through the shoulders. We have this cat-cow motion, but we're seated. Let's do 3 more. And come sitting nice and tall. Left hand's gonna dangle beside you. We'll take our right arm up on an inhale. Exhale, you'll bring it around in front of the body, and then you'll keep this little windmill moving. Following with your breath, syncing with your breath. Let's go 3 more. And then on the last one, let's keep our right arm up and we'll take a little side stretch over to the left. Breathing deeply down your right hand side. Allow your left arm to just dangle. Feel the connection of your sits bones on the chair. Breathe deep here. We'll take 2 more deep breaths. And finding our way out. This time the right hand dangles down by the side. Inhale the left arm up and then we're going to cross it in front. Finding your movement here. Inhaling up. Exhaling to cross in front and swoop around. One more time, bring it up. And we find our little side stretch here, allowing your right arm to dangle. Breathe deeply into the left hand side of the body. And allow the left hand to come down. Rest your hands on your lap, tuck chin to chest. Feel the stretch in the back of your neck, breathing into the back of your neck. Feel your shoulder blades sinking down the back body. And then on inhale, you'll carve a line with your nose, look up, open through the throat. And bring your head back down to neutral. All right, we're gonna stand up and then you're gonna come to face your chair. Inhale, bring your hands up, and exhale, fold to touch the chair. And then we're just gonna hold here. Maybe you wanna widen your stance a little bit to hip distance. Allow your head to relax down, feeling the stretch down and into your armpits, keeping a little bend in your knees. And find your breath here. We'll take 5 deep breaths. Bend through the knees, slowly rise up. I'm gonna move the chair out of the way. You can just step to the side of your chair. Bring your palms forward. We'll come into our Tadasana mountain pose. Feeling the connection of the soles of your feet on the mat. As you inhale, bring your arms up, gaze up. Exhale, hands come down through center. We'll do 2 more of those. One more. Bring hands into the heart. Tuck the chin. Allow the shoulders to relax, hips relax, knees relax. All right, making your way back down onto your chair, and we'll end with a little closing meditation. And this time, feel free to snuggle all the way back into your chair. Feel the chair supporting behind you and beneath you. Connecting back in with your breath. And taking your awareness up to the crown of your head. Slowly relaxing down through your face, your shoulders, down through your torso and belly. Down through your thighs, and past your knees, and into your feet. Allowing your focus to stay centered inwards. Focusing on the movement of breath. And the response of the body to the breath. Bringing your hands, placing them over your heart, Take a nice deep breath in and out to close your practice. And thank you so, so much for spending your time, energy, and practice with me today. It means so much to me. If you are here hearing these words, and if you enjoyed this practice, please leave me a like or tell me how you got on in the comments below. I would love to know. All right, take sweet care. Bye.